Hot Wheels. Let's get started. Oh, sorry guys. I'm just so excited for this little box. Oh my gosh. Well, I sure know how to open this. Not that much. Okay, this card's hard to open. It's just what's so hard to open it. Let's open this card up. Put it in. Oh yeah. Going up. What do we do next? Put this card. Okay. Where's the car? Candles. No. Oh, there's his car. Now we're gonna open the more cars. These can break. Finally. Ooh, this car. That's amazing. Look at that. Ooh, listen to this car. It's amazing too. Put everyone out. Ooh, that one looks the coolest. Cars! Look at these ones. Oh, this one's really cool. Ooh, look at this one, guys. Pretty cool. Look at the top. It's can carry cars, I think. Oh, the coolest car is the race car. Look at that. Now we're gonna try these ones. Yeah, I think I should come back. Mr. Car, now you can go. Mr. Car. Okay, we're putting this car in. What can come out? Oh, now we gotta put this back and then punch button. Dang, that was cool. Now let's try this car. It might not fit, guys. It might not fit. Oh yeah, we're gonna open this one. Oh, I'm gonna do the same thing. Wow, just wow. Ooh, this car. Okay. I keep having so many Hot Wheels. This will go. I'm not gonna lose them. It's so cool. Oh, look at this one. This one's so cool, guys. Amazing. Very. You can put a little mini stuff in this. Okay, let's try this one now. Oops. How could I forget? And cut it down. That up. That up. That down. Try this one. It might not fit. It might not fit. And this one is gonna go on top. Okay, this thingy is gonna go past. I'm running it. I'm running it. next part. This again. That there. Okay, this car. Car gotta go. Car. I think my car's stuck. Oh my gosh, it's stuck. It's stuck, it's stuck, it's stuck. No, 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 no. Okay, I don't think we should try this one anymore. No. Oh. I think this top is too big. Are you ready, Mr. Clock? For good view? For good view? You gotta look close, guys. Because this is the starting part. Back there. Just watch. This might hurt my hand, but oh, great, it didn't fall out like usual. Bye, guys. I hope you like our video. Like and subscribe.